Have you ever looked at the back of your audio equipment, whether it is a turntable, a receiver, or even a DJ controller, and seen those familiar red and white circular ports? You might wonder what they are for and why they always come in that specific color pairing. The red and white RCA jacks are primarily used for transmitting stereo analog audio signals. This means they carry the sound that you hear through your speakers or headphones. The red jack consistently carries the audio for the right channel, and the white jack carries the audio for the left channel, ensuring you get a full, immersive stereo sound experience. This color coding and channel separation are crucial because human hearing is naturally stereo, meaning we perceive sound coming from different directions. By keeping the left and right audio signals separate, these jacks allow your audio system to reproduce the spatial quality of music, making it sound more natural and engaging. This standard was established by the Radio Corporation of America, or RCA, many decades ago, becoming a ubiquitous solution for consumer audio connections. To use these cables correctly, simply match the colors. Plug the red connector into the red jack on both your source device, like a turntable, and your receiving device, such as a mixer or amplifier. Do the same with the white connector for the white jacks. This simple color matching ensures that your left and right audio channels are properly aligned, which is essential for accurate sound reproduction. An interesting detail about RCA connections is that while red and white are the most common, you might also encounter yellow jacks. The yellow RCA jack typically carries a composite video signal, often used alongside red and white for older video equipment. This highlights the versatility of the RCA connector type, even beyond just audio. Remember, keeping your cables organized and color matched not only helps with immediate setup but also with troubleshooting any audio issues down the line. Understanding the role of these red and white RCA jacks empowers you to confidently connect your audio gear. By correctly connecting your left and right channels, you unlock the full stereo sound of your music, ensuring a richer, more accurate listening experience. This foundational knowledge is key to setting up any home audio system or getting your first DJ setup sounding great.